Hi there, I'm Chris from Provence and I'm happy to welcome you on this channel, Eat and Stay Healthy After 50. I will share with you my knowledge about 30 years in wellness and my passion for epigenetics, how you can implement good things, good habits in your life. If you're here, is that you already know that we are what we eat. I hope you like this channel, and if you want to say thank you for what I share with you, you can just like it and subscribe and say thank you, Chris, I liked it, I could implement in my life and I feel better now. I will try to post good things for you every week, so if you want to follow me, just ring the bell and follow me. I will be very happy. The more numerous, the more strength. So let's be numerous to be independent with our health and stay healthy a long way after 50.